Hello guys, for this guided practice assignment, what I want you guys to do is once again go on Flipgrid. So for the for this week at least, we are going to be a lot of activities on Flipgrid because I want to make sure you guys can access it properly, post properly, because throughout our throughout the year we are going to be doing a lot of assignments, so you guys can share your thoughts, discuss several topics about science and stuff like that. So for today, what I want you guys to do is go to My Hopes and Dreams. I know here it shows up as hidden, but I promise that I will go ahead and activate it tomorrow, which is Wednesday. So after Wednesday, you should be able to see this topic. So you will go here, and there's a video here, and this is basically the prompt of what I want you guys to record yourself doing. And after you've watched that prompt, you will go ahead and record your response and submit it. Now I want you guys to remember, and I've told you this before, but do remember that our classroom is always going to be a safe space, and I want you guys to know that you can share your thoughts, your opinions, and be heard. You will not be judged or criticized, and I ask you guys to have an open mind. Different people have different thoughts, have different opinions, and it's okay. Being different is not a bad thing, guys. So go ahead, be as creative as you'd like, and I will see you guys in the live section.